Hello and welcome to the guidance video of LMS of Robokidz. In this video, we are going to see how to create an account on LMS, how to register your kit, and how to raise a query. In order to open an account, first you need to open your browser and visit lms.robokidz.co.in. You can also find this address by scanning the QR code provided inside the kit on this page. If you are a new user, you have to select the option for Create Account here. In the Create Account section, you have to enter your 10-digit mobile number. Remember, the number that you are entering should be active on WhatsApp. After putting the number in, click on Generate OTP, enter the received OTP on your mobile device, and then fill in your details. By entering your full name and giving an active email ID, you can create your account. You can create your password here with a combination of alphabets and digits. After putting in all the details, click on Create Account.
This completes your account creation process.
The dashboard screen will appear. After your account is open, please verify your email by clicking on this red button.
Verify your email ID and click on Generate OTP.
Enter the OTP received on your entered email ID. This completes your process of email ID verification. After verifying your email ID, let us see the process of adding your kit. For that, click on Add New Kit option. Enter the kit serial number provided with the kit and click on Add Your Kit, and it is added successfully. Click on View Kit Resources. You can see that your kit has appeared on your dashboard. To view the videos and PDFs related to your kit, you can click on the logo. Here, you can see the list of modules included with the kit. To view the PDFs, you can click on View File option. Edit your personal information and update it and change your password from this option on the LMS. If you have any concerns or query related to your DIY kit, you can reach to us by raising a query through your LMS. To see the process to raise a query, select the query option
And click on Raise a Query.
Here you can define your query and click Submit. You can see the status of your query here. We will be resolving the raised query within 48 hours. So that is the complete guide for LMS of Robokidz. Thank you for watching.